Welcome to the show how to change icon shape into a Realme Narzo 50A Prime. First of all, open your Play Store and find here X icon, change your application. This one. Need downloading and installing. I'm already done this, so click open. Now need close ads. And now from the list choose your application. For example like photos. Okay, choose your application, and now from the library choose your new icon. Maybe this one. Okay, and when we choose your icon, in the top right corner we got OK button. So press it and wait a second for generating of new icon. And then need close ads, maybe a few times. And now, when we got this message, need press to add automatically. Close, and we got success message, so go to our home screen, and here we got our icon of new icon of our photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.